Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp channels for business, a powerful new way to share updates, connect with your audience, and grow your brand. Let's get started. First, what are channels? Think of them as a one-way broadcast tool inside WhatsApp. Unlike chats, followers can't reply directly, so it keeps communication clear and professional. To create a channel, open WhatsApp, go to the Updates tab, and tap the three dots and select Create Channel to start a new channel. Give it a name, add a description, and upload your logo or brand image. This will be the first impression people see, so make it clean and professional. Now it's time to post. You can share text updates, images, videos, polls, or even links to products and services. Keep your posts short, engaging, and consistent. For example, you could use channels to announce sales, share product launches, or give quick tips related to your industry. Promote your channel link on your website, social media, and even in-store if you have a physical location. WhatsApp also has a searchable directory where people can discover your channel, so make sure your description and profile are optimized with keywords. Always provide value in your updates. Avoid spamming and keep a schedule, maybe a few times a week. Use images, emojis, and clear formatting to make your posts more attractive. WhatsApp channels also give you metrics like how many people viewed your updates. Use this to learn what content gets the best engagement and adjust your strategy accordingly. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.